Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. Today's recipe is cookie milkshake. So let's get started. First we are going to add 1 cup of chilled milk to the mixer. Then we will add 1 cup of cookies or cream biscuits. Add half a teaspoon of coffee powder, quarter teaspoon of cocoa powder, which is optional. Then add 1 sandwich ice cream, or you can add any normal vanilla or chocolate ice cream. Now add 4 cubes of ice and blend it for 30 seconds for 2 times. And our cookie milkshake is now ready to serve. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. Enjoy it chilled. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on time.